Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to unarchive your Trello lists. This ability is a great way to revisit and reuse old lists, saving you precious time and energy. First things first, log into your Trello account. The reason we do this is obviously because your archived cards and lists are stored within your personal account. Now that we've done that, navigate to the board containing the list you want to unarchive. This helps us because Trello archives lists on a board-by-board basis, so we need to be in the right board to find our archived list. Next up, find the Show Menu button on the top right-hand side of your screen and click on it. Let me explain why this matters. The Show Menu button gives you access to more options, including the archived items, which is where our treasure is hidden. Once you've clicked on Show Menu, you'll see an option called More. Click on it. This brings up a new set of options, one of which is Archived Items. Now click on Archived Items, and voila, you're in the archive. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello stores all the cards and lists you've archived here in a sort of digital cold storage. Moving on, you'll see your archived lists and cards. Look for the list you want to unarchive and click on it. This will open the list, and you'll see an option that says Send to Board. Click on that, and your list will be sent back to your board, effectively unarchiving it. The reason we do this is to retrieve the list we want from the archive and place it back onto our active Trello board. It's like pulling a book off a shelf and opening it up to read. And there you have it. That's how you unarchive a Trello list. With this skill in your toolkit, you can easily retrieve and reuse your valuable Trello lists whenever you need them. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, happy organizing.